Hi, I'm Andrew Cardno, the Chief Technology Officer of Quick Custom Intelligence, and I'm here with Larry Resick, the General Manager of the Red Earth Casino. We're at the TGH Conference, and tell me about the show so far. What have you been seeing?
Not surprisingly, the big topic this year is artificial intelligence, how we can use it, how we can leverage it. Probably the most interesting thing I saw was, the presentation that I saw was that we can use artificial intelligence with a chatbot, essentially. And that chatbot can start with the player, interacting with the player, and learn from the player. So all the things that it sees the player do, like book a room, book a restaurant, go to a show, it will remember all that. And then the next time it interacts with the player, will say, hey, we have a show coming up. Would you like me to book a room? Would you like to book reservations? And then the final step would be using AI to figure out people who do that also like to say, for instance, let's say go to the spa. So would you like to also book a spa appointment? So you can get the whole thing that they've been talking about, the basket of goods. AI can sort of incorporate that all from soup to nuts with the interaction with the player.
It's kind of like a unified experience, right?
Yes. That's the one 360 view of the player that everybody's been looking for, like the Holy Grail for the last 30 years in gaming. I think AI might finally let us realize.
I think my view is that you have to do something else first. You have to unify your data.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm hoping AI will do for us.
Oh, there's no better to say.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why we built this resort.
Okay. Well, tell me about resorts, Andrew.
So the point of resorts was, if I like to imagine or describe it sometimes like I'm the beaten up last survivor from the team that built most of the BI and integrations in the industry. And I say that because everyone else I knew that started doing it is gone. Mostly they changed industry, they gave up. And the problem we've been looking to solve is, how do I get all these systems integrated? How do I get them all together? That's the problem.
Yeah.
And so we're still solving the same problem. Well, about 8 months ago, we sat down and said, can we build a machine to build software to do everything in a unified way? We built the machine, we built the software, and we've built a single unified data model.
Oh, okay.
And a single unified layer on top of a business intelligence layer with a single unified application that does everything in your business. Now, when the agent is talking, it has every single piece of data in your business. It's all just sitting there. And it seems simple. It is, right? It's dramatically simple. I don't have to deal with 10 different vendor integrations. We can just present all the data on a unified platform.
Yeah, and the other thing, the customer really is the one that suffers from that siloed data too, because let's put it this way. I was at a resort recently and they said the key didn't work in the elevator, right? So got to go to the front desk, get a new key, and then I saw they had a thing for a digital app, for a room key with the digital app, and I was like, oh, okay, if I just get the app, I won't need the key, right? Well, you got to go to the Players Club. Do you have your card? So I got to go to the Players Club.
Seriously?
Yeah, to get my card, to link it with the app, to get a key for the hotel. So that's just an example of what the customer faces. And they don't understand that, well, it's because the data is siloed between the hotel reservation management system and they don't care. They just want to get into the room and to get their card and play.
That's exactly right. They just want, and we are humans, I guess, have become so accustomed to an integrated experience. That's what we expect. We expect
yes.
We don't know that's what it is, though.
Right.
You don't know that that's the thing you want, but you feel it, and that makes you enjoy it more. It immerses you into it. It allows you to enjoy the theater of what is a casino resort.
Yeah, and we're looking forward to the demo, which we have coming up for our property with resorts. So it looks like you've addressed a very big need in the industry. So thank you.
Thank you, Larry. Look forward to showing you the demo. Yeah.